Hello, everyone. As Athletic Director of Bridgetown Middle School, I get the honor to announce the end of the year athletic awards each year. Each award is voted on by the middle school coaches, and although we had many excellent options for the awards this year, only two can receive Athlete of the Year and two can receive the Archie Griffin Sportsmanship Award. I'm going to start with the Bridgetown Middle School Athlete of the Year. The Athlete of the Year award is given to the athlete who had high contributions to their team's success with their athletic abilities and accomplishments throughout their seasons. I would now like to congratulate the following athletes for winning Athlete of the Year at Bridgetown Middle School. The female Athlete of the Year is Riley Dissinger. And the male Athlete of the Year is Braden Holland. So congratulations to Riley and Braden for winning Athlete of the Year at Bridgetown Middle School this year. I'll now move on to the Archie Griffin Sportsmanship Award. Sportsmanship, ethics, and integrity are essential components of any successful athletic program. This award is named for Archie Griffin, who is an Ohio native and the only two-time recipient of the Heisman Trophy. I would now like to recognize two students who displayed exemplary sportsmanship, were great for team chemistry and motivation, worked hard, and led their teammates. The students chosen for this award always showed their characteristics in sports and off the playing field. Addie McDonald, congratulations on being our Archie Griffin Sportsmanship Award recipient for the females, and for the males, we have Jacob Schorsch. So congratulations to Addie and Jacob for winning the Archie Griffin Award. Congratulations to all four of those athletes for their excellent years of sports at Bridgetown Middle School, and we wish you all the best at the high school. Keep up the good work, and congratulations.